Okay, this is my second video for arithmetic progression grade 10 lesson. The last video I have shown the basic idea of the arithmetic progression, the series, how it's progress, and what are the terms that you have to know in using problems. See, once again, a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d. That's the arithmetic series pattern. First term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d, fourth term is a plus 3d, 10th term a plus 9d, 15th term a plus 14d. They have a general formula, Tn equal, nth term formula what? A plus n minus 1d. Where a we call the first term, d is the common difference. N is what? Number of terms. That's I gave clearly last video. Those are newcomer. The best thing, stop this video and go to see that video and complete ends come to this part. Okay. So we work a couple of questions. I think page exercise to is 24th chapter in your book, chapter 24. 67, page 67. I complete the first question, second question. Today I show through this video problem number 3 and such type. So question number 3, they said using the given information find the first term of the relevant arithmetic progression. I say short form is AP. AP we call the arithmetic progression, right? So first part, D equal 5 comma T21 equal to 101. Two data, they provide two informations or data. D5, D means common difference is 5 and the 21st term is 101. Then what the question is, find the first term, A. Find the A value. So think how the method, how to calculate the A value. So we have the nth term formula. We use the nth term formula for that. See, the method is nth term formula. A plus n minus 1 into d, right? Is the nth term formula. And for 21, if we apply 21st term, that is 101. So right here 101. Okay, that means T21 equal. A is missing, A is unknown, we have to calculate now, right? Plus n for 21 minus 1, D, what is D? 5, right? D is 5. So here they said D is 5, T21 is 101. Therefore, you can find n is 21, right? So think about this formula. Tn given, A missing, D is given, n is known. Then by substitute, you can find the A answer, right? These are using this problem, this formula type questions. Now solve this equation. 101 equal A plus 21 minus 1 is 20 into 5. It's 100. 20 times 5 is 100. Take the 100 this side, subtract. So 101 minus 100, this is A. So A answer is 1. First term is 1, right? First term is 1. Next question, D equal minus 3, T35 equal minus 130. So stop the video and try on, because you will explain the first one clearly. The same idea, numbers only different, right? Compare or copy this pattern. In an arithmetic series, common difference is -3. 35th term is minus 113. Then find the first term. So how I expand in word form? They can ask the similar. This is we call the equation type or the notation pattern. But sometimes they will give in a word form. How the word form? In an arithmetic series, common difference is -3. 35th term is minus 113. Find the first term. So same method. So what is 35 here? N equal 35. Then write the equation. This we call nth term formula. So Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn4 minus 113. That means T35, right? A4, A missing. We find the A answer. Plus N4, what? 35 minus 1. Common difference minus 3. Common difference minus 3. So minus 113 equal A plus 34 times minus 3. 34 times minus 3. Minus 113 A plus. Multiple this plus into minus. Plus into minus minus. 3 times 4, 12. 1 remaining, 9 and 1, 10, right? So next take the minus 102 this side, find the A answer. Here minus 113 plus 102 is equal to A. So what the A answer? Minus 11, is it? Minus 11, right? The second question, first term is minus 11. Common difference is minus 3. This is one type question there. See problem number 3. In an arithmetic series, common difference is 2.5, right? Common difference is 2.5. 37th term. 37th term is 93. So find the first term. You can work now. So I shown 2 problems now. Similar fashion, write the formula, substitute everything. A is missing or unknown term. You can find the value of the A. That's the method, right? So here, what is n there for? Here n is what? N4 what? 37. N4 37, right? So Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into d. So 37th term is 93. So here this is 93. A, we don't know what is A, we have to calculate the A, right? Plus N4 what? 37 minus 1 into D. What is D means? Common difference. 2.5. 2.5. Now solve this equation. Find the A value. So 93. A plus 37 minus 1, 36. Multiple 2.5. Okay. Now solve. That's all. Only first step is grade 10 or O-level syllabus. Others you are simplifying knowledge. Very important. This is not only for grade 10, but also next year, future comes in continuously. Next year, oil big problem in O-level paper. 8 question. Every O-level paper you can see this 7th or 8th question. This series problem. So 93 equal A plus. What is 36 times? What is 2.5? 2.5 write as a mixed fraction, give as an improperly 5/2. Okay, therefore 93 equal A plus cut this 18 times 5, okay. 18 times 5 is 90. This 90 take this side, find the A answer. So your A answer is 93 minus 90. Okay, 93 minus 90, what is that? 3. First term is 3. Practice this, the idea, one of the question, right? Common difference given, n value is given, and particular term is given. Find the common first term. Find the first term, right? Find the A value. Okay, let's see type 4 problem. Type 4. Type 4, same method. We have to find the common difference. Using the given information, find the common difference, right? A is 60. Comma 15th term 102. Find the common difference. Same problem, but earlier we found the A answer, value of the A. Here find the value of the D. Still use of the nth term formula. So I hope you are familiar with that formula. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. So we apply that. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn 102 15th term, right? 102. A for 60. What is n? Number of terms? 15, right? Minus 1 into D. D is missing. Find the D value. So 102, take the 60 this side, minus 60, minus 60. Here what? Subtract 14 times D. 15 minus 1, 14 times D, right? So now solving equation idea. Subtract here 2, 4. 42 equal 14D. Therefore D answer 42 divided by 14 3 times. So common difference is 3, right? Is the method of such problems. Stop the video, try the next question. A is minus 30. Thirty-fifth term also given. Second problem. First term is minus 30. First term is minus 30. 35th term is minus 25. This we call symbolic form or the notation pattern. But sometimes they will give this question in the word form. How that word form? In an arithmetic progression, first term is minus 35. 35th term is minus 25. Find the common difference. So write the nth term formula. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Now we apply all the known parts. What is Tn? 35th term, that is minus 25. A for minus 30 plus n for 35. Minus 1, common difference missing into D, right? We will find the D answer. So what is that? Minus 25 Take the minus 30 this side. As I mentioned here, 60 we took this side, minus 60, right? So minus 30 take this side, plus 30. Here what? 34D. 34D, right? Now solve and find. Minus 25 plus 30 is plus 5, right? Equal 34D. So 34D equal to this. Therefore 1D answer 5 divided by 34. Okay, 5 divided by 34 is the answer. It's the method. You can answer those types of questions, right? Okay, now I show the next type. There's a type C. For each of the following situations, find the number of terms. First question I work, find the A value. Second type I shown you, find the common difference D value. Now the third type is find the C, what we call that, N value. Find the N value, right? See first question. First term A is 9, comma, D equal 4, comma, N's term is 69. So what is the question? Find the number of terms, N value, right? Find the value of the N. Another important type question. So today I shown first how to find the A value, second how to find the D value. Here we see how to find the N value. Everything use of this formula. Tn equal A plus N minus 1 into D formula, right? So write the formula and substitute everything. This is notation form. How they will give this in the word form. In an AP, short form AP. In an AP, first term is 9. Common difference is 4. N's term is 69. Find the value of N. Oh, another pattern they provide like this. In an AP, first term is 9. Common difference is 4. Which term is 69? Which term is 69? Okay, you will find the N value. See the method. So once again write the formula. Tn equal A plus N minus 1 into D. So here apply everything. One term is missing. What is that? N is absent. Find the N value. So Tn for 69. A for 9. N missing. Why? We will calculate the N value. We don't know what is N. Into D is 4. It's the idea of solving, right? See how to find the N answer. Take the 9 this side, subtract. Minus 9 equal to what? N minus 1 into 4. Okay. 69 minus 9. 60. N minus 1 multiple 4. We have to calculate the N value. So don't multiply the bracket. That is not important, not necessary, right? Because we need the N value. They have easy method. Follow this method. Multiplication 4, take this side. Multiplication 4, other side, inverse operation, divide. So 60 divided by 4 is N minus 1. What is 60 divided by 4? 15 equal N minus 1. Take the minus this side, 16. Therefore, the answer here, there is a arithmetic series. First term is 9. Common difference is 4. Which term is 69? 16th term, right? 16th term is 69. And the important question. Now you can answer second type also, second problem in this type. they said in an arithmetic series, first term is minus 20, common difference is half, which term is 35? Which term is 35? That's the method. So follow same idea, use the formula. There's an arithmetic series. First term is minus 20. Common difference 108. Which term is 35? Apply the Tn formula. So Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute everything. Tn for 35. A for minus 20 plus n, you will find the value of n. Common difference 108, right? Common difference 1 over, sorry, I missed that cover. That's half. Common difference is half. Common difference is half, right? Okay, now solve this equation. See the previous method and copy it. Take the minus 20 this side, 35 plus 20. Okay, the other side, n minus 1 into half. 35 plus 20, 55. Here dividing 2, take the 2 this side, multiple 2, right? Dividing 2 here, multiple 2. Here multiple 4, that side divide, like that. Divide 2, multiple 2 here. The answer n minus 1, right? So what is that? 110 equal n minus 1. Take the minus 1 this side, add to 1, 111. So in this series, which term is 35? 111th term, right? Very important, the n value, the value of the n always become positive answer, right? N always positive, not only positive, integer value, whole number. If your n answer comes minus 20, you are wrong. If your n answer comes 1 over 9, you are wrong. If your n solution comes, for example, 33 or 32.4, you are wrong. N comes 15, maybe correct. N is 100, possible. Never comes decimal, negative and fraction, right? Let's take a note about that, okay? Okay, now I show the type 4 in your book, that exercise. Go through and see type 4 question. I will show a couple of that problems and the important question. They ask, find the nth term for each of the following arithmetic progressions. Find the nth term in the simplest form. See that? First one, minus 15, comma, minus 12, comma, minus 9, comma, minus 6, and so on, right? This is an AP, arithmetic progression. The problem is find the nth term. It's the important part. But you learned is finding nth term in the grade 8 maths. When you were grade 8, you learned this, recollect that. Grade 9 also you learned that, how to find the common general term or nth term. But here we use a different method. Actually, that is here today it is easier than the grade 8 or 9 method. Just try it by using the formula, nth term, right? See the method. First term is what? Minus 15. First term is minus 15. Next write common difference. What is common difference? take a viewer last video, the stop and see those are newcomers. How to find the common difference, successive subtract. If I take minus 12, subtract minus 15. Second term, subtract the first. Or third term, subtract the second. Or fourth term, subtract the third. That's the way how to calculate the D value, common difference. So what is that? Minus 12. You know successive minus mean positive, plus multiplication meaning, right? So what is the answer? 3 minus 12 plus 3 is increased by 3. Increased by 3, okay. This is the main part of every question hereafter. Without A, without D, there's no AP problem. So first you once complete this. Now you write the standard formula for the nth term. International formula. Any arithmetic, what's the nth term formula? Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D. Is the standard, I said the international formula. Now we change this formula to this question, right? For this problem, what is the nth term? That is easy. Why I said easy? You know A, put the A for minus 15, put the D for 3, that's all. Nth term means the n should be inside the expression, right? Therefore, Tn equal A. What is A? Minus 15. N should be there. That's called nth term. Multiple, bracket mean multiple. What is D? 3. Is the method. Now we simplify this, right? So minus 15 multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. 3 times n. 3n minus 3. Therefore, your answer is nth term is what? When writing, better you write the n first. Positive n first. 3n plus 3n. What the answer? Minus 15 minus 3. What that? Huh? Minus 15 minus 3. Minus 18. Don't say any other values. This is the answer. This is the method how to find the nth term of a particular AP. If you know the A, if you know the D, you can work. The same idea comes grade 11 GP. This we call AP, arithmetic progression. Grade 11 we have the GP, geometric progression. Therefore keep in touch. If you very clear this, grade 11 become easier. But this is very tough. If you're feeling difficulty, they're also same. So keep in touch, practice, see how I am explaining this, it become easier. See next question. 7, 12, 17, 22 and so on. Find the nth term of this series. So for the same method, write the A answer, write the common difference answer. What is A? Minus 15. What is D? Take any term, subtract the previous. If I take 17, subtract 12, that is 5. Okay, common difference 5. First term is minus 15. I miss here 7. First term is 7. There are no minus 15. Okay, now write the nth term formula. Tn equal A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Now write everything. Put A for 7, D for 5 and simplify that. So Tn nth term, A for 7, n for n, right? Minus 1, D for 5. So what is that? Now simplify, get a linear expression. Simple expression, give that. So Tn equal 7 plus multiply the bracket by 5. So what is that? 5 times n, 5n minus 1 times 5, 5. Okay. So therefore the nth term answer is, first write the n, 5n. What next? 7 minus 5 plus 2. This is the nth term of this expression. Nth term formula or nth term expression, right? Okay, work the next question. Stop the video, pause the video, try on. See, try on. When I explain, you can check with me my solution. Three quarter, comma 4, 4 3/4. It's very long chapter, because of big problem in the exam. Your grade 10 marks question comes in this, your final term papers or second term paper. They have to take full opportunity. It's very neat platform, YouTube channel, wherever you can revise these videos. Zoom or any that what we call the other one, Google Classrooms, you can refer it once again, I think. So you can copy it again. This is anytime you can view these videos. They take full opportunity, study properly. All my these lessons. Those are newcomers, press this subscribe button and bell sign, and you will collect all my continuous video. You can study more and more, right? These long school vacations. Okay, so what the idea here? A4 3/4. What is D? What is common difference? See how is increased? 3/4, here 4, here 4 3/4. It increased by what? 3/4. Very clear, you can write 3/4. Common difference is 3/4. Or take 4 minus this, or this minus this, or fine. It's the common difference, right? Now we write the nth term formula. Tn equal a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so A4 3/4, n for n, d4 3/4. Okay, therefore nth term is what? Simplify. They ask give a simplest form. This is a mixed fraction. How can I leave it? You see, 3/4 multiple by 3/4. 3/4 times n. 3/4 n minus 1 times 3/4, 3/4. So what the answer? What is your nth term? I said always write the n part first. Write the n. 3/4n. Next subtract 3/4 minus 3/4. What is 3/4 minus 3/4? That is plus 2.5, is it? 2.5. 3/4 minus 3/4. So it's the answer. Nth term. Nth term formula. Okay, that's right. See next question. Next question, the last of these. Try on 67, comma 64, comma 61. Find the nth term of this arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. Write the first term, 67. Write the common difference. How that? Take 64 subtract 67. Successive difference called common difference. So what is that? Minus 3. Decrease, a decreasing series. Added by minus 3 or reduced by 3, right? The series increased by minus 3 or we called reduced by positive 3. Okay. Now write the nth term Tn equal a plus n minus 1d. Now you know the A answer, you know the D answer, substitute and get. That's the method, right? Nth term Tn equal a for 67 n minus 1 d4 minus 3 d4 minus 3. Okay, so that 67 multiple the bracket. Only first step grade 10, others your ordinary grade 9, 8 method, simplifying bracket multiplication, solving equation. Multiply minus 3 plus into minus what? 3 times n, 3n. Minus into minus, right? Plus 3. So what the nth term? So as I mentioned here, there's a pattern of writing the term. First write the positive n first. Write the positive n first. But here n is negative. Minus come better you write behind that, back of the term. Write later. That 67 plus 3 is 70. 67 plus 3 is 70. Next what? Minus 3. You learn this is actually in the grade 8 and 9 classes. If a pattern, number pattern provides, you've shown that by writing the nth term formula or general term. But here this is the method, right? So practice this through this video. Is my second video of the arithmetic series. I think it may be 4, 5, maximum 5 video we have to work, because my idea to show all the problems, your book question, need solution, brief solution, and some other additional problems also I will show you later. So keep in touch. The next video we'll see some other types.